Hey guys, Starr here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take control of your notes so that you can stay organized and manage your leads, customers, as well as companies. In this particular case, we're a marketing agency and we're running ads for a local salon. We have 2 points of contact at the salon that we're communicating with, and we want to stay organized in what's happening throughout the sales process. So let's go ahead and get started. There are 3 areas within the system where you can manage notes. The first area is going to be under contacts. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the actual contact, and we're just going to click on that contact and open up the contact. All the way to the right, you're going to see a pencil icon. If you click on that, you'll be able to add notes as well as filter notes right here within the contact section. You can also search for notes. The third place that you can manage notes is going to also be under contacts, but this time at the top, we're going to go ahead and click on companies. In this particular case, we're a marketing agency working with Jane Doe Salon. So let's go ahead and open up that company. Over to the right, you're going to see a couple of icons. You can see the associations. That means that we have more than one contact here at this particular company. You'll see tasks, and then the pencil icon again represents notes. We'll go ahead and click on that. You can see all of the notes that are related to the entire company. You can add a note, you can actually filter notes, you can filter them by the associated contact, and you can filter them by date created. You can also search by keyword right here in the company. The third place where you can actually add and manage notes is going to be under opportunities. Here, we're going to go ahead and select the pipeline where you want to manage these leads, customers, or companies. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this first card. This is for Matthew Doe. We have a couple of icons here, and you can see this third one looks like a little note and has a number over it. If we go ahead and click on that note, you can actually manage the notes right here directly on the opportunities board in the sales pipeline, which is amazing. So you can see that we have a few notes here that are associated with this exact contact. I can go ahead and click add note, and I can add a note directly on this contact. We went ahead and spoke to Matthew Doe, and he wants a 6-month contract. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the description of this note, and then I'll go ahead and click save. You can see that these notes will be listed in chronological order by date, time, and who it was created by. That way you can keep track of whether you or someone on your team has been in contact with them. You'll also go ahead and have this filter icon where you can filter out by the association within that company. And again, you can filter by date created. You can also search by keyword right here in the search bar. I might want to go ahead and search contract to see if we're in contract negotiations, and I can see that they have agreed to a 6-month contract. Go ahead and start adding notes to your contacts, companies, as well as within your pipeline so that you can stay organized within the sales process and you can stay on top of what's happening with the companies or clients that you work with.